How to unblock your Airtel Money account from any agent. Walk to any Airtel agent near you with your original national ID. Present the ID to the agent, and the agent will confirm and verify, and then proceed to take your biometric details. You will then be asked to sign an electronic form. After this, the agent will take your picture and scan your national ID. Agent will then reset your PIN, and you will get a message telling you that your SIM card has been successfully unblocked, alongside a temporary PIN. You can then use a temporary PIN to set your new PIN. Please note, PIN code should only be known to you.
Airtel, a reason to imagine.